Satrangi Sala. My name is Rachana Mudrapoina. I'm a transgender rights activist from India. I today came in front of all of you in order to narrate my relationship and also the bondage of love between me and Anjali and our Parivar uh, initiative, the Seattle campaigning. You all know that the world has seen the vast two COVID effects and the lockdowns across the world, and the transgender community has been badly affected due to this pandemic. And they have been on the verge of poverty because of the lockdown and no livelihood options. But Seattle campaign has helped all the India or transgender people, starting from Kashmir to the Pondicherry and from Rajasthan to the northeast Meghalaya, Sikkim. So we almost covered 25 such states across India and able to reach a lot of transgender people and able to serve them the food grains and medical needs and also the medical care. We helped a lot of transgender people during this pandemic. Now from this a relationship we are extending and also entering into a new phase of COVID relief activities by designing a livelihood network across India for the transgender community who lost their livelihood due to COVID effect. So for this, we are entering into a new venture of like writing proposals for livelihood, and Seva International has been working with us in these initiatives. We are really very much humble to the Seva International, and we are proud to be the Parivar Bay Area and the Seattle campaign, proud to be associated with them. And we are all proud of Anjali Rimi because the hard work and also the initiative she visualized and the passion she worked in the way day and night to make these proposals successful is really bringing a credibility to the trans movement across the world. So please support us. Please Parivar. Please support Parivar Bay Area. Please support the Seattle campaign. And once again, thanks from the bottom of our hearts to the Seva International. Thank you.